Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Cintrone. I want to welcome you to week 2 of electronic health records. I'm going to scroll down, and this week we are covering sharing, recording, collecting, and analyzing health information. So let's click on our week. All right, and this week we have our lecture here. So this is the one we're going to click on and work through. All right, so you're going to click here to begin and you'll work through your lecture. Again, this is the lecture that you can print up. It's the document that you can print up. Again, remember we have the alternative formats if you want to listen to it. This is our discussion post for the week. And this week we're going to talk about the 3 different types of health information exchanges. We have directed exchange, query-based exchange, and consumer-mediated exchange. We're going to discuss the 3 of them. You're going to provide one pro and con for each type of exchange, and then identify the type of exchange that you would prefer to use and explain the rationale behind your choice. And then you are going to engage with your classmates about what choices they made. Make sure that your initial post has 150 words and that you're participating in discussion on at least 3 days during the week, and you are responding to 3 of your classmates. And like I discussed last week, go ahead and ask them questions. Why did you choose that exchange? Or I see you chose consumer mediated exchange. Have you used this in the past? Ask them some questions about it. Okay. You have a quiz again this week, and be sure to look in the discussion for your study guide for the quiz before you take it. Remember that you have 2 attempts, so if you don't like your grade, go back and take it again. Make sure that you are looking at the quiz review that I post each week. I post it the following week for the quiz, so this week I'll be posting week 1's quiz review to see we can discuss the most frequently missed questions from last week, so you can understand why you missed it. That'll help you on your midterm. Okay, and this week we have a reflection, so let's click on it. All right, and your reflection this week is define electronic health records in your own words. Okay, summarize the importance of electronic health records in protecting health information. Identify and describe at least 3 advantages and then 3 disadvantages. And make sure that you're looking at the rubric, okay, to make sure that you hit each of the points and you don't get any points taken off. All right, so that is it for the week. You have your discussion, a quiz, and a reflection. All right, next week we're going to start our portfolio project. We're going to start working in the simulation program, which will be, I think, a lot of fun for some of you. Some might get frustrated, but if you just take your time and make sure you're watching the video, because I'm going to go step by step through it and perhaps walk you through some of the kinks of it. Okay? Remember, if you have any questions or any issues, make sure you're contacting me. Okay? All right. Have a good day.